Hey there, friends! Welcome to another episode of English Learning Channel. I'm Maya, and guess what? We've got something special cooking today.
Hey everyone, James here. And Maya, you're right. Today's topic is one that literally everyone needs. I'm talking students, professionals, travelers, everyone.
Absolutely. So here's the thing. Imagine you're at a job interview, or maybe you just joined a new class, or you're at a party. Someone walks up to you with a friendly smile and says, "So, tell me about yourself."
And boom, your mind goes blank. You're like, I like pizza?
Laughs. Classic. But don't worry, because by the end of this episode, you'll have a formula that works every single time.
Before we jump in though, quick favor. If you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button for English Learning Channel. We're building an amazing community of learners here.
Yes, and smash that like button. It seriously helps us reach more people who need this content.
All right, Maya, let's solve this mystery. When someone asks, tell me about yourself, what are they really asking?
Great question. They're not asking for your entire autobiography. They don't need to know that you had a pet goldfish in grade 2.
Chuckles. Good, because mine didn't make it very long anyway.
The secret is simple. Think in 3 parts. I call it the now, then, next method.
Now, then, next. I like it. It's like telling a mini story. Break it down for us.
Now is your current situation. Who are you today? What are you doing? For instance, I'm James, I work in digital marketing, and I'm based in Toronto.
Short and sweet. What about then?
Then is your relevant background. Pick 1 or 2 things that got you where you are today. Maybe it's your degree, a previous job, or an experience that shaped you.
So I could say, I studied business at university, and after that I spent 2 years working for a startup where I discovered my love for creative campaigns.
Perfect. You're connecting the dots. You're showing how your past led to your present.
And next?
Next is where you're heading, your goal, your dream, what excites you. This shows you're forward-thinking and motivated.
Moving forward, I want to specialize in social media strategy and maybe launch my own consultancy someday.
Boom, there it is. Now, then, next. You just introduced yourself in under a minute, and you sounded confident and interesting.
Maya, here's what I love about this. It works in any situation. Job interview, networking event, even dating apps.
Exactly. You just adjust the details based on your audience. At a professional event, focus on your career. At a hobby club, talk about your interests.
Let's do a quick example. Pretend we're at a language exchange meetup. I'll ask, you answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, first time here? Tell me a bit about yourself.
Hey, yes, first time. I'm Maya. Right now, I'm teaching English online and creating content for learners. I actually grew up bilingual, which made me really curious about how people learn languages. Looking ahead, I'm hoping to develop a full course for beginner speakers.
That was fantastic. Natural, warm, and informative. I immediately know who you are and what makes you tick.
Thanks. And notice, I didn't use complicated vocabulary. Words like curious, develop, and looking ahead are perfect for intermediate learners.
You know what else makes a huge difference? Energy. Even if your English isn't perfect, if you speak with a smile and genuine enthusiasm, people will connect with you.
100%. Your vibe matters just as much as your words. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and let your personality shine.
What about nerves, though? What if someone gets stuck halfway through?
It happens. If you blank out, just pause, take a breath, and say something like, "Sorry, I'm a bit nervous. Let me start again." People appreciate authenticity.
Being human is actually charming. Nobody expects you to be a perfect robot.
Here's a pro tip. Add what I call a conversation starter. It's a little detail that invites questions.
Like what?
Like saying you recently started learning how to bake sourdough bread. Instantly, people want to know more. How's that going? Did you succeed? It opens the door.
Oh, that's clever. So instead of just facts, you're giving them something to grab onto.
Exactly. You're making it easy for them to keep the conversation flowing.
All right, here's the million-dollar question. How long should this intro be?
I'd say 45 seconds to 1 minute maximum. Think of it as a movie trailer, not the whole film.
Love that analogy. Give them just enough to be interested.
And remember, they can always ask follow-up questions if they want more details.
Maya, let's talk preparation. Should people practice this beforehand?
Absolutely. Write out your now, then, next introduction. Say it out loud in front of a mirror, record yourself on your phone, and listen back.
Practice doesn't make perfect, but it definitely makes you confident.
Yes, and here's the thing. Once you have your base introduction ready, you can tweak it for different situations in just a few seconds.
All right, let's recap for everyone watching. We've covered a lot of ground here.
First, use the now, then, next formula. Current situation, relevant background, future goals.
Second, keep it short, around 1 minute max.
Third, match your answer to your audience. Professional for interviews, casual for social settings.
Fourth, add a conversation starter, something interesting that invites questions.
Fifth, energy and body language matter. Smile, make eye contact, and show your personality.
And finally, practice beforehand so you feel confident when the moment comes.
Friends, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and introduce yourself using the now, then, next method.
Yes, tell us what you're doing now, something from your past, and what you're excited about for the future. We'll read every single comment.
This is amazing practice, and it helps us get to know our incredible English Learning Channel family.
If this video helped you, please share it with someone who's preparing for an interview or just wants to improve their English conversation skills.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We create these videos because we genuinely want to help you succeed.
All right, everyone, that's a wrap. Go out there and introduce yourself with confidence.
You've got this. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.